Hello class 8C. Today we are going to see the improvised or soda acid extinguisher which we can prepare at our home, and about carbon monoxide because we completed about carbon dioxide. Now in this we'll see an activity which will show you that how we can prepare an improvised soda acid extinguishers. Okay, so the materials required over here is a white mouth bottle, a test tube, a two-hole rubber stopper. Okay, this one rubber stopper. This is a white mouth bottle. Then inside we have got a test tube. Okay, a glass exit tube. Okay, a glass exit tube. Then we have got a glass nozzle. Glass nozzle. This one. Rubber tubing, a glass rod, baking soda. This is the chemical required, and dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. So these are the materials required for our activity. Now what you need to do is fill half of the white mouth bottle with water, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir until it dissolves. So what you need to do is you take half bottle with water, and to that you add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and you stir it until it dissolves. Then attach the test tube to a glass rod and force the glass rod through the rubber tube as shown in the figure. Half fill the test tube with dilute sulfuric acid. So what you need to do is, with the help of a glass rod, you attach a test tube, and in this test tube will take half amount of sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid. Now what you need to do is, then after that, assemble the exit tube. Okay, this is the exit tube, rubber tubing and the nozzle as shown in figure. Fix the stopper to the bottle. That means this one, we're calling this as a stopper. Make a small fire in a sand filled pan. So what you do is, in a sand filled pan you make a fire, and after that turn the bottle upside down. Okay, what you need to do is, we have to convert into inverted position so that this will come down. So what will happen as we come down from the acid, the sulfuric acid, okay, we'll see that thing, the sulfuric acid comes in contact with the soda acid solutions, and a reaction will take place. So make a small fire in a sand filled pan, turn the bottle upside down to mix the sulfuric acid and baking soda solution, and point the nozzle at the base of the fire. You'll observe that when the bottle is turned upside down, the baking soda or sodium bicarbonate solution mixes with the acid to produce carbon dioxide gas. So sodium bicarbonate plus sulfuric acid will give you sodium sulfate, water and carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide gas that is produced by the reaction of these two will come out this nozzle, and you place this nozzle where you have prepared a fire. So the carbon dioxide gas produced is forced out through the nozzle, and the fire gets extinguished. The conclusion is that the carbon dioxide, being heavier, forms a blanket over the fire and cuts off the supply of air that we know. Therefore, the fire gets extinguished. This is how we can prepare an improvised soda acid extinguisher. Now, next topic is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas, and it is very harmful, whereas carbon dioxide is not. Carbon monoxide is highly poisonous and flammable gas. Flammable gas means it can burn easily. It is present in the exhaust gases of automobiles and furnaces due to the incomplete combustion of carbon or carbon rich fuels. So generally carbon monoxide is produced by automobiles and furnaces. Why? Due to the incomplete combustion of carbon. That means when the carbon burns only partial amount, then a carbon monoxide is found. It is also found in small quantities in coal gas. Properties of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It does not have any color, it does not have any smell, or it does not have any taste as well. It is slightly soluble in water. That means carbon monoxide is slightly soluble, less soluble. It reacts with water vapor at high temperatures, forming carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So, carbon dioxide reacts with water vapor at a very high temperature to form carbon dioxide and hydrogen. And carbon monoxide bonds in air or oxygen with a pale blue flame. So, this bonds in oxygen with a blue flame. Now, assignment 3 for today. How can we make an improvised soda acid fire extinguisher? Explain it briefly. So, by understanding it, you can explain in your own words with the help of a diagram. Question number 2, what is carbon monoxide? Question number 3, write the sources of carbon monoxide. And question number 4 is write the properties of carbon monoxide. So complete this and send it in my